On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up your combination lock. As you can see, this one has numbers counting by 5 and it has a little red mark right over here that I would like you to place a 0 on your lock. Here, I have my password, 36, 6, and also 32. This is my very own special password. So I'm going to show you how to do step number 1. You need to, in order to clear your lock, you need to turn to the right 3 different times. So let's do it. This is the first time to the right. I'm going to stop at 0. Done. Now I'm going to turn to the right a second time and stop at 0 again. Second time is done. Now the last time, I'm going to turn to the right one more time. Now that I clear up my lock, I'm ready to stop at 36, which is my first number. So I need to turn to the right very slowly so I can stop at 36. So I'm going to turn to the right. Let's see. All the way to the right. If this is 35, then this is 36. So I'm done with my first step. Now I need to stop at 6, but you need to turn to the left all the way, passing the 36, and then you stop at 6. So let's go all the way to the left so I can pass my first number, which was 36. Goodbye, 36. Now I'm ready. Number 6. There you go. Now I'm ready with my second number. Now the third number, which is 32, I'm going to turn to the right so I can go to number 32. And done. Now you're ready to open up your own combination lock. So now it's time for you to practice, practice, practice.